Hi guys, welcome to my channel at Easy Surveys. In this video I'll quickly show you on how to present simple study maps using the select features here, the select features icon. So we are going to be working with some set of shapefiles. So here is the NGA shapefile, the Nigeria shapefile. So it is having three layers. We have the ADM0, which is just having the Nigeria map as a whole, boundary, and ADM1, which contains the Nigeria boundary as a whole and the boundary of each state. And we likewise have ADM2 that has the boundary of each state as well as their local governments inside of it. So we are going to be importing ADM1. So we are going to make it hollow, and just like we have here, so we don't know which state is which, so we have to label the maps except you are familiar with working with kind of maps like this. So we want to label it, you go to the attribute table, check which of the column has the state labeled, and it is here. In this case is name_1. So we've confirmed that, and all we have to do is go to properties, and if yours is on general, just go to labels and go to drop shadow over here, click on name1, click on apply, okay, come here and just click on label features and it's going to appear. So the next thing to do is just to make sure that we are going to be very clear, we are going to be working with Imo State, alright, the Imo State here. So we are going to be extracting Imo State out of this whole map. So you click on the select features, then you click on Imo State, the boundary will be highlighted. So the next thing to do is just to go to your search and type clip, then you search it. It's going to bring out these options for you. Then you go to clip analysis tools, then you click on ADM1 rather, then you click on OK. So there we go, we are going to make that hollow as well. So we are going to rename this as Imo State. So just come to general, then Imo State, let's use capital, click on apply and OK. So the next step is to extract the features inside of Imo State, which are the local governments. So like I said earlier, the ADM2 has that particular features, and here we are, and we are going to make it hollow. Then you can now zoom to see through. Alright, so we are going to be doing a very little trick now. So all you have to do is to click on the shift button on your laptop keyboard, okay, you click on the shift button and you are going to highlight all which is inside of Imo State. So you can decide to highlight it by clicking on each state boundary, each one of them, okay. So make sure that every one of them is highlighted without leaving any okay. So when you are done, you still go to your search, stay here, and I've feel we missed out on one, which is here. Okay, so click on that, and in this case you are clicking on ADM2, and here as well ADM2, and you click on OK. So there we go, we are done extracting all that is within Imo State. So here we are going to rename this as ArcGIS, just local government areas. Okay, then you click on apply and OK. So let's make that all up so that we can see through. So we want to unselect all these. We don't want this to be selected, because at the end of the day we are still going to extract just one of the local governments of our interest. So before we do that, let's quickly label the local government by just, you go to attribute table to know the particular column, and in this case it's name_2. Alright, so just like what we did initially, go to properties, go to labels, then here you click on name_2, apply and OK. Then we are going to label features. So there we go. So we are going to be unselecting this. We don't want this highlighted stuff to be there, so all you have to do is to activate your editing tools. Alright, your editor tools. So when it's activated, just click on one of the selected stuff. Alright, then you come here, right click, then you go to open attribute table, click on it, on the highlighted features, then you just click on select, then we are good to go. So all you have to do is to save edit, then stop edit. So we have unselect all that, and we can uncheck this. There are some of them we can uncheck, although we are still going to uncheck as we go and forge ahead. So we want to extract just one of the local government out of Imo State, and how to do that is we are going to be extracting Owerri West here. So the same way, just like I said in the beginning of this video, that we are using the select feature to just click on Owerri West, West only. So we are clicking on Owerri West, so we can still see that Imo State is still being highlighted as well, so we can uncheck Imo State, then leave Owerri West. So we want to extract Owerri West out of this, just the same way we did initially. All you have to do is come here, then you go to, this time around it's going to be local government, and local government, and you click on OK. So we've extracted Owerri West. So here we can rename this to Owerri West. Okay, so the same way you come to general and you name this Owerri West. Okay, then you can click on apply and OK. So we can as well make that one, and here we can just come to the attribute table to deselect, and okay, let's activate our editor tool so that we can deselect that. Click on this and to attribute table and deselect that. Okay, so sorry, deselect, and okay, then you can save edit and stop editing. So here now you can see we have Nigeria, we have Imo State, and we have Owerri West. So we are going to delete some of the things we do not need. Alright, so we do need some of the things, so we are going to leave the ADM. Okay, we are going to leave ADM1, so we don't need ADM2. It is out of the equation, and we do not need this loop length, so we can just uncheck that. So depending, so we are going to be needing ADM1, Imo State, local government, and Owerri West itself. So that is basically how to extract features or study maps out of any shapefile. Okay, so in the next video we are going to show you on how to create these maps in different data frames.